Bitget announced that commitments for its OpenAI-linked preOPAI token sale exceeded $100 million before the subscription window closed on May 15 at 8:00 UTC. The preOPAI token is designed to offer exposure to OpenAI's potential future public listing, though it is not a direct investment in the company. The sale, hosted on Bitget's IPO Prime platform, opened on May 12 with a price of $725 per token. The minimum commitment was $100, and the total cap was set at $300 million. Despite the high interest, Bitget emphasized that OpenAI has not endorsed or authorized the preOPAI product. The token is issued by Republic and aims to mirror OpenAI's economic performance after a public listing. The commitment period ran from May 12 to May 15, with distributions scheduled for the same day between 8:00 and 12:00 UTC. Spot trading was set to begin at 14:00 UTC. The product comes with clear risk. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Warnings, including the possibility that OpenAI may never go public or that its valuation could change significantly. The preOPAI token is listed as the second project on IPO Prime, following Bitget's initial launch of the platform. The sale's rapid success suggests strong market interest in OpenAI-linked exposure. However, investors should be aware that the product is not a direct investment in OpenAI and does not guarantee returns. The next key signal to watch is whether OpenAI moves closer to a public listing and how that might affect the value of preOPAI tokens. The token's performance will depend on OpenAI's future financial performance and market conditions. Investors should also monitor any regulatory developments that could impact the token's viability. The sale's success highlights the growing interest in tokens that offer exposure to high-profile companies without direct equity ownership. As the crypto market continues to evolve, such products may become more common, but they also come with unique risks. The next development to track is whether Bitget expands the IPO Prime platform with additional tokens and how the market responds to those offerings. The mechanism of the sale involved users committing funds in USDT or USDGO with a minimum commitment of $100. The structure of the sale allowed for broad participation, which likely contributed to the high level of interest. The stakes for investors are tied to OpenAI's potential. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Future performance, but they must also consider the risks of market volatility and the uncertainty of OpenAI's listing timeline. The next signal explanation is that the success of preOPAI could influence future token offerings on platforms like IPO Prime, potentially setting a precedent for similar products. However, the absence of direct equity or endorsement from OpenAI means that preOPAI remains speculative in nature. Investors should approach such products with caution and conduct thorough research before committing funds.